In this video, we will describe various makes and models of shift levers to help you determine what type you have. We will then send you to the appropriate video that will go over how to remove and install the derailleur shift cable for that particular shift lever. Electronic shift wire and internal gear hub cable installation is not reviewed in this video.
Derailleur shift levers are used to pull and release shift cables. The cable travels from the shifter through the shift housing to the derailleur. The end of the cable is then fixed to the derailleur with a pinch bolt. Pulling and releasing the cable with the shifter moves the derailleur to the various sprockets. Shifters commonly have an indexing feature using detents. These create dwell or a feeling of hesitation in the lever as it moves from sprocket to sprocket. Adjusting derailleur shifting is covered in our series, How to Adjust Your Derailleur. So why replace a shift cable? Shift cables, with time, can become worn, rusty, or dirty. This causes drag and resistance. The pull or release of the cable from the lever will not be reaching the derailleur consistently, and that can lead to poor shifting performance. A new shift cable is needed. The shift housing can also become worn out and require replacement. Shift housing replacement is covered in the video How to Size and Install Shift Cable Housing. The first step in replacing your shift cable is identifying the type of shifter you have, as the procedure for cable replacement varies with the brand, model, and style. If you do not see your shifter type here, reach out to your shift lever manufacturer for details on cable replacement. Trigger shifters use levers that are pushed or pulled with your fingers or thumbs to change gears. Examples include some models of Shimano, SRAM, Box, Sunrace, and Microshift. See our video How to Replace Trigger Shifter shift cables for more. Twist shifters mount outboard of the brake levers. They consist of an outer part, called the shift collar, and an inner part, called the shifter. The shift collar is twisted to pull or release the cable. Examples include models from SRAM, Shimano, Microshift, and Sunrace. See our video How to Replace Twist Shifter shift cables for more. The integrated brake and shift levers for drop handlebars combine the functions of braking and shifting into the same component part. These integrated systems are offered by Shimano, SRAM, Campanolo, and Microshift. For more on these types of shifters, see our video How to Replace Drop Bar Shift Cable. Bar end shifters are mounted inside handlebar tubing. These can be installed on drop bars, on triathlete bars, and some multi-position touring bars. See our video How to Replace Bar End, Thumb, and Down Tube Shifter Shift Cable for more information. Thumb shifters mount above the handlebar and are shifted with the thumb and index finger. Examples include models of Shimano, Sunrace, and Microshift. See our video How to Replace Bar End, Thumb, and Down Tube Shifter Shift Cable for more information. Down tube shifters are gear shifters that mount to the bike's down tube. A similar lever system can be mounted next to the stem and are called stem shifters. See our video How to Replace Bar End, Thumb, and Down Tube Shifter Shift Cable for more information on this type of shifter. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shift cable replacement.